Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The competition promises to be fierce, with each participant bringing the unique strengths and stories to the forefront. Stay tuned for updates, behind the scenes, glimpses, and interviews as we follow their journeys. Who will rise above the rest and earn the coveted title? Let the Misters of Filipinas Lipas City 2024 competition begins. Official headshots of the Mr. of Filipinas Lipas City 2024 candidates. Get ready to meet the exceptional men who are vying for the prestigious title of Misters of Filipinas Lipas City 2024. And these candidates represent the true essence of Lipas City with their charm, spirit, and unwavering passion. Each of them has been carefully selected to compete, showcasing not only their physical attributes but also their dedication to community service, leadership, and personal growth. John Kenneth Latayan, a 20-year-old resident of Barangay Sabang, stands at 5'8" and is known for his vibrant personality and dedication for his community. As a young and active member of Barangay Sabang, John Kenneth is often involved in local projects and events, demonstrating his commitment to community development. His enthusiasm and leadership qualities make him a role model for his peers. In addition to his community work, he is also passionate about fitness and sports, often participating in local tournaments and promoting a healthy lifestyle. John Kenneth's dynamic presence and positive attitude continue to make a significant impact in Barangay Sabang. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!